In this quick video, I just want to show you how to use the Rode Smart Lav. So the Smart Lav comes in a little box and it has a nice little case with it too. And usually what I do is I will run the cable underneath my clothing and then I will it will come out here and I will attach it on to the top. Now I will try and make it as discreet as possible. So, you know, it might come over here, or I could go over my back with it potentially, or I might pick clothes that like a blazer or something like that I can attach it on so it's not that obvious. And I'll clip it on here, making sure that it's not hitting off my clothes or my hair, because there's nothing worse than recording for like 20 minutes or something and then checking the footage and all you can hear is bang, 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 bang because something's tapping off it. So now, if I was in a real setting, I'd do a bit of a better job at that, but I don't really mind seeing the mic unless it's a movie. If it's a short film or a movie, you don't want to see any microphones because it's going to take you out of it. But you know, seeing the mic in situations like this is totally fine. Now you want to make sure as well that the microphone is like, it's not up here because it's just going to miss a lot of your voice. So down here so that the waveforms are coming out of your mouth and into the mic. So within this kind of area. Now you could go down a little bit lower, but you know, keeping it up as close to your mouth as possible is a good thing to do. So you'll notice with the Rode Smart Lav that the cable isn't actually that long. So your shot might be set up here, and then if you were trying to run the cable underneath your clothes, you won't have enough cable length to do this, and it's very, very annoying. So Rode, in their infinite wisdom, came up with an attachment accessory called the SC1, and this guy is about 550 meters long. Now, obviously I'm exaggerating. How long is it? 6 meters, but it feels like forever, and I swear to God I spend most of my time unraveling this cable. However, it is a godsend because it does give you an awful lot more room to be able to go back from the mic, and you know, it's just really handy. So I usually buy both of them together. The mic is about 50, this is about, I don't know, 11 or 12, so all in, including postage, 60 or 70 euros, or you know, dollars. Okay, so what we want to do then to attach the microphone to the extension cable is just plug this in there and make sure as well that this is actually properly plugged in. A few times I've been caught out by this where it was like out a little bit and then I wasn't picking up the recording at all. So make sure that that's properly plugged in. Now I'm iPhone and I'm one of the newer iPhones, so I've got a lightning adapter. So this will plug in probably to most Androids or Samsung phones or anything like that. But with the iPhone, I need this little €5 adapter that will just go in here and then straight in to the phone. So here we have, you know, I can unravel this cable for whatever distance I need it to be. And then what I will do always is a test. So you have to test to make sure that it's actually recording. So I'll clip it on. I will go into my camera mode. I will start recording my video. Now, obviously I'd have this set up better, and I will just speak to camera, and I will also just tap the mic and make sure that it's picking up my voice, because sometimes it might not, and then I might just have to, I don't know, start the phone again or restart it or something like that. I might get someone else's phone and try that and then eliminate that, okay, it's not the mic, it's not the extension cable, it's something with the phone now, so now I need to figure that out. So hope that's of help and that you're able to use the Rode Smart Lav, and let me know if you have any questions.